We've been waiting over 3 years for this to happen, and it looks like it is finally happening. The Shiba Inu community was never that excited before. Tonight is the day that changes it all. I will stay awake for days. Sleep is very expensive now. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. The year 2024 has been a great year for Shiba Inu. According to CryptoRank, the price of Shiba Inu has jumped an impressive 141% year-to-date. Out of the 5 months so far, Shiba Inu has seen positive growth in 3. The biggest win was in March, with the price skyrocketing by 145% in just that month. May was also a good month, with a 13% gain, breaking a 2-year losing streak for the asset. And that is very great news. However, Shiba Inu now faces a big challenge in breaking the bearish trend this June. You see, since it was launched in August 2020, Shiba Inu has never ended June on a high note. According to CryptoRank, June 2021 saw a 4.75% drop in price, and things got worse in June 2022 with a 12% dip, and June 2023 wasn't any better with an 11.5% decrease. This year, Shiba Inu has another chance to turn things around and finally end June on a positive note. And now it looks like Shiba Inu actually can do that. Tomorrow is set to be a pivotal day for the entire crypto space, with Australia joining the Bitcoin ETF frenzy. Australia's first spot Bitcoin ETF is launching for trading on Tuesday, and the excitement in the crypto market today is at an all-time high. This excitement stems from the significant impact similar events have had in the past. When the first Bitcoin ETF launched in the United States, it saw hundreds of millions of dollars in daily inflows. This surge helped Bitcoin reach a new all-time high and contributed to Shiba Inu's impressive growth of over 100% year-to-date. As we know, Shiba Inu is highly sensitive to Bitcoin's movements. Therefore, the Shiba Inu community is highly attentive and hopeful, as tomorrow could be a very important day for them. Interestingly, while Australia already has several exchange-traded products offering Bitcoin exposure, Monochrome Asset Management is the first to receive approval under a new crypto asset licensing category created under Australian Financial Services licensing rules in 2021. This approval allows their ETF to hold Bitcoin directly. Monochrome has stated that their Bitcoin holdings are stored offline in a device not connected to the internet, using a crypto custody solution that meets Australian institutional custody regulatory standards. Before this, Australian investors could only invest in ETFs that indirectly held Bitcoin or through offshore Bitcoin products. And here's something interesting. Unlike its counterparts in the United States, which are cash-settled, this ETF allows in-kind redemptions from investors. This means that instead of receiving cash when they sell their shares, investors can get actual Bitcoin. Monochrome CEO Jeff Yu expects strong interest in his firm's ETF, especially given the consistent growth of indirect Bitcoin ETF products in recent months. He believes that offering direct Bitcoin exposure with in-kind redemptions will attract more investors looking for a secure and regulated way to invest in Bitcoin. Yu noted that Australia is a very crypto-heavy country and expects local spot Bitcoin ETFs to bring in between $3 to $4 billion in net inflows within the first 3 years. This is a significant amount, so it will be fascinating to see how this unfolds and what impact it will have on the crypto market as a whole. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's not forget that we just got an Ethereum ETF approved in the United States, with trading expected to start this month. And this is where some on-chain data points to some crazy news. Ether supply is at its lowest level in years, with only 10% on centralized exchanges. Since the US ETF approval, over $3 billion worth of Ether has been removed from exchanges, indicating a supply squeeze. This means fewer coins are available for sale as investors move their Ether to self-custody. When people move their coins to self-custody, it usually means they are planning to hold onto them rather than sell. In the context of the approved Ethereum ETF, many expected a massive sell-off. But now it seems people are choosing to hold their Ether instead, which is a positive sign. This holding behavior suggests that investors have confidence in the long-term value of Ether and are not looking to cash out quickly, which can help stabilize and potentially increase the price. Between May 23rd and June 2nd, over 797,000 Ether, equivalent to $3 billion, was withdrawn from exchanges, according to data from CryptoQuant. This significant decrease in exchange reserves, as it was already mentioned, suggests that investors are moving their coins to self-custody for purposes other than immediate sales. By the end of June, Ether-based ETFs are expected to launch. According to Bloomberg's ETF analyst, Eric Balchunas. Many experts believe that Ether could surpass its previous all-time high set in November 2021. This development will undoubtedly impact the crypto market as a whole, benefiting other crypto assets as well. As we've seen with Bitcoin ETFs, the introduction of Ethereum ETFs could lead to increased institutional interest and investment in the broader cryptocurrency space. Additionally, given Shiba Inu's sensitivity to Bitcoin ETF movements, some anticipate similar behavior with Ethereum ETFs. If Ethereum ETFs attract significant investment and drive up the price of Ether, it could positively influence the price of other cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu. And there's a very good explanation fueling this point of view. DeFi reporter and crypto analyst Michael Nadeau pointed out that Ether could potentially benefit even more from this surge in demand compared to Bitcoin because of its lower structural sell pressure. Unlike Bitcoin miners who frequently sell their Bitcoin to cover mining expenses, Ethereum validators don't encounter the same level of operating costs. And well, this perspective is both smart and intriguing because it sheds light on a fundamental difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin. It makes much sense that Ether could experience less downward pressure on its price compared to Bitcoin in certain circumstances, particularly during periods of increased demand. This insight highlights the unique dynamics of the Ethereum ecosystem and adds another layer to the discussion about its potential growth in the context of the upcoming Ethereum ETF launch. And these are precisely the reasons why Shiba Inu might break its 3-year trend of June, being a bearish month. Alongside these developments, a new crypto report has revealed that the number of people who own digital assets has surpassed 6.8%. This surge in adoption comes ahead of the highly anticipated crypto bull run, with many viewing cryptocurrencies as valuable investment opportunities. According to AAA's report, approximately 562 million people, equivalent to 6.8% of the global population, now own some form of digital asset in 2024. This surge indicates a 34% increase from 2023. The potentially upcoming crypto bull run has been a major catalyst for crypto adoption worldwide, sparking fear of missing out among curious investors who see it as a chance to potentially earn significant returns from a legitimate investment avenue. Analysts predict that the 2024 crypto bull run might be the largest ever witnessed, fueled by the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs and the recent approval of spot Ethereum ETFs. Note that this is not financial advice, and you better do your research. But this increased adoption and positive market sentiment could provide the momentum needed for Shiba Inu to break its June bearish trend and potentially see significant gains. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.